Transverse section of mammalian ovary. What is ovary? Ovary is the primary sexual organ, primary sex organ in females. ठीक है. Second thing, it is intra-abdominal. It is found inside the abdomen. ठीक. Now we will see what are the structures present in the mammalian ovary. So it is an almond shape. It is an almond shape which consists of germinal epithelium. Okay, the lining of the ovary is made up of germinal epithelium. This is made up of germinal epithelium. These are the cells of germinal epithelium. These are the germ cells. Similarly, in this line, what is this? This is, yes, it concentrate on the different terms in this because the number of terms are there. So this lining covering, okay, is germinal epithelium. This is germinal epithelium. Okay, this is germinal epithelium, and this germinal epithelium is surrounded by another layer which is known as peritoneum. This is another layer present outside the ovary. This is peritoneum. Okay, and this is the attachment. This is the attachment of ovary. Okay, and this is known as mesovarium. Mesovarium, and from this mesovarium area, the blood vessels, nerves enters in this ovary. These are the blood vessels. These are the blood vessels. Okay. The internal area of the ovary. The internal area of the ovary. ठीक है. Is further divided into an outer dense and inner less dense area. ठीक है. This area is known as cortex. ठीक. And this area is known as medulla. This is the less dense area, whereas the cortex is the more dense area. Okay, and in this cortex region, a number of ova are present in the immature stage, and this is known as egg nest. Okay, from this egg nest, primary follicle is detached from egg nest. One of the oogonium is detached and known as the primary oocyte. Okay, and this oocyte is converted into primary follicle. Primary follicle. Why we are calling it primary follicle? Because it has a lining of follicular cells, single lining of follicular cell. What is this? Follicular cell, sorry, follicular layer. Okay, this primary follicle is further developed into the secondary. This secondary follicle has two or more layer. So this is the main difference between the primary and the secondary follicle. This is the secondary follicle. Secondary follicle. So how you will differentiate? What you will give the answer when you ask what is the difference between primary follicle and secondary follicle? Primary follicle has single layer of follicular cells, whereas the secondary follicle has two layers. Okay, and this is further developed and is called the tertiary follicle. More layers are added. This is the tertiary follicle. Primary, secondary or tertiary is made up of follicular cells. Okay, the follicles has the follicular cells, and follicular cells produce estrogen. Produce estrogen. Estrogen is an hormone, and it maintains the reproductive organs. The function of estrogen. Okay. Now what happens? This tertiary follicle further develops. Okay, and now it develops an antrum, a cavity. You will find here that the layer is a cavity known as antrum. So when antrum is developed in an ovarian follicle, प्राइमरी फॉलिकल ये भी ओवेरियन फॉलिकल, सेकेंडरी फॉलिकल ये भी ओवेरियन, क्योंकि ये ओवरी के अंदर है, दैट्स व्हाई दे आर कॉल्ड ओवेरियन फॉलिकल. तो प्राइमरी, सेकेंडरी, टर्शियरी, और यहाँ पर ये जो आप देख रहे हैं प्राइमरी, सेकेंडरी, इसमें कहीं पर भी कैविटी नहीं है, कहीं भी खाली जगह नहीं है, लेकिन यहाँ पर एक खाली जगह है. इट इज कॉल्ड एंट्रम. ठीक है, दिस कैविटी दैट इज नोन एज एंट्रम, एंड ड्यू टू द प्रेजेंस ऑफ एंट्रम दिस इज नोन एज मैच्योर or Graafian follicle. This is known as Graafian follicle, and this Graafian follicle has the secondary oocyte. Now what happens? That during the ovulation, this ovum is released. There is a secondary oocyte. Secondary oocyte is released from ovary by the process of ovulation. ठीक? So ovulation comes out from the ovary, and the remaining part of this Graafian follicle is redeveloped. And this structure without the secondary ovum is known as corpus luteum, and this corpus luteum is the source of progesterone, another hormone. This is another hormone, ovarian hormone, and this maintains the pregnancy in the women. The level of the progesterone is necessary for the pregnancy, otherwise abortion will be there. So this progesterone is released from the corpus luteum. Okay, so what happens? The progesterone is there, and if the fertilization occur, the fusion of sperm and the ovum take place in the fallopian tube, zygote is formed. So what happens? This corpus luteum will remain maintained throughout the pregnancy, and if the sperm is not fused with the ovum, secondary oocyte, this corpus luteum, which is also known as yellow body, इसको yellow body भी कहते हैं बेटा, ध्यान रखिएगा नाम ये yellow body. This corpus luteum degenerate, ये degenerate हो जाता है and converted into another body, which is also known as white body or corpus albicans. तो corpus albicans is the degenerating corpus luteum. कब degenerate होता है? When fertilization does not take place. और अगर fertilization हो जाता है तो it will not produce, it will maintain. Corpus luteum remain throughout the pregnancy, and throughout the pregnancy it will release the progesterone, and in this way the pregnancy is maintained. So this was a brief description on the transfer section of mammalian ovary.